Hello everybody, it's Rusty here at Possum Bayou. I have a mail call tonight, maybe an unboxing or whatever. Of course it's not in a box, it's in this thing, and it come from ITLA scale models. See a little sticker made in Canada. I was watching a video live stream the other day and they were on there and I'm like, hey, I like the stuff they had. So Sparky said they were cool, so I went ahead and ordered me some stuff. So basically, I was expecting kind of a box, but I'll see what this is. Just follow along. The package was fairly heavy. It's got 3 different little things in here. Okay, right here I have some heating, ventilation, and air conditioning pieces here. Like some type of laser cut wood type of stock here. We'll have to put these together. And has a little bit of ductwork too, looks like. Very cool. This is the kit I opened up. I'll show you a little bit of the pieces. So there's different views of how you can work this particular kit in the front there. Kind of shows how some of the pieces are laid out. And shows some multiple layouts you can do of the kit, how you can configure it. A little bit more words in here, kind of describing it a little bit. First off, we got these, well, I got it upside down. Various signs you can put on the sign billboard that goes on the top or on the side of the building or whatnot. You got some laser cut MDF parts. Some more MDF parts. And some laser cut plywood parts. It's supposedly, and according to the thing, this is a high grade aircraft plywood, little small thin stuff, I guess, for making airplanes. And we got the same thing here, except it's a little thinner. Looks like it's going to make the sign, the frame for the billboard on the top. Looks pretty interesting. It's kind of simple, but it don't really look that simple. I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to paint it. And then paint the doors and windows and the pieces here before I glue it together probably. And then do a little weathering once it's all together. I plan on doing maybe some videos of my progress on this thing as it goes along. Like I said, my other kit is a lot larger kit, it's a lot heavier. I'm going to do it in that backdrop configuration. It'll look real cool. I got the HVAC parts in the other kit. Maybe work good on this kit plus some other Walther's kits I already have put together. Well, that's the end of this. Well, I'll continue on. Those are some pretty decent structures and the air conditioner parts. I'm pretty well satisfied with what they were. I thought they might be in a little box, but hey, that packaging they send in is pretty good because that stuff's pretty stiff, pretty rigid. So looks like it's going to be a real good time putting this together. I'm probably going to put them on. I have a double length T-track module. Then I may put that in some other wood kits on that thing. Hopefully I can get this thing ready for the Mobile Train Show here in a couple of months. So until I see you, I'll